I need your input. My flash talk is going to be really short, and it's just a proposal how we think to recruit users, because as an infrastructure, what we need to survive are money, right, from government, and we will get this money only if we will have users. So I am Jan Pačes, the tech coordinator of the Czech node, and I am really trying to get new users of the infrastructure. So what are the key problems? We need to deliver the infrastructure easy way so the students can really go and run the program and not to go through very complicated system of approvals and whatever. But if we will allow everyone to use our infrastructure, then we have a problem how to recognize if it makes sense what they are doing there, right? The resources are not infinite. So we need some kind of distinguishing if the work is done as well, but we are not grant agency, so we need to distinguish it in somehow different way. And of course, our important thing for us would be how to attract new services and tools. We would like to have users who develop something and then it stays as an ELIXIR product, right? As an infrastructure, we need to present that we actually are doing something good for users, and so we need some kind of credit or recognition from the users. And well, we have to deal somehow with private and sensitive data, because a lot of users are coming and they are afraid or they are not allowed to move their data out of the institution, right? So we think that now we have like 3 types of users. One is a basic user, which is typically student or scientist, biologist who is doing simple experiment. They usually do not have deep bioinformatics skills. They do one-time analysis, and they prefer simple interface. Then we have kind of advanced user, which are people who usually have a grant, so they are private investigators. They have small or moderate team, and they need a lot of resources, either CPU or RAM or disk or everything together. And usually they are doing something which is not out of the box, so they need advanced control. And the third type of user we see as an ELIXIR user are other biological infrastructure. In the Czech Republic case, it's Open Screen, for example, who is working closely with us. So how we allow the new users to use our infrastructure? For basic user, when you are employee or student of the university or research institution, so you are member of the ELIXIR, you get an Edu ID, and using the Edu ID, you can easily get Galaxy account and use the Galaxy as a tool. Because the resources are limited, usage is based on first come, first serve. There will be too many users, then the system will crash, but then we have to somehow boost it. Then advanced user from our point of view as an ELIXIR infrastructure has to be supported by grant. We do not want to distinguish if your project is good or if your project is not good. So let's say we are using the grant agency approves it, so we approve it as well. And then the advanced user gets a project. For the project gets a virtual machine or other kind of computational resource, and how to get the recognition from them. They get a basic level, and if they put acknowledgement in an article, then their priorities are boosted. Very simple way, which is for quite a long time adopted in CESNET, in our IT provider, which helps very easily. It's their interest to actually put an acknowledgement in article. And this is the way how the user management is done basically automatically. User from some kind of metadatabase gets the approval that it can, the project can be created, then the virtual machine is started, and the crypto image data are then encrypted, and they can download their own private data on the crypto image, and if necessary, the crypto image actually can stay in their own network, and virtual machine can run on their own network or on ELIXIR resources and only mount the private data, then the endless possibilities for all users. And what we think would be the output out of it is that for users would be very easy to get a normal tasks. We will have hundreds of users with simple tasks. Some of them moves to the project, and we would ask them that after finishing the project, they should try to keep the database tool, whatever the project was about, as an ELIXIR tool. So first as a local ELIXIR tool, and when the tool actually will be approved as a good tool, it can move to the Europe service level. Okay, that's all. Thank you.